Class 9, Chapter 6, Exercise 6.1. First question. In the figure, lines AB and CD intersect at point O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Solution. Given angle AOC plus BOE equal to 70 degree, angle BOD equal to 40 degree. Now, from the figure, angle BOD and angle AOC both are vertical opposite angles. And we know vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, angle BOD equal to angle AOC equal to 40 degree. It is given angle BOD equal to 40 degree. Therefore, angle AOC also 40 degree. Now, angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. It is given. Angle AOC is equal to 40 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, angle BOE equal to 70 minus 40 degree is equal to 30 degree. Now, second part. Angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE equal to 180. That is, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE. All these three angles are on the same line. So, their sum is equal to 180 degree. Now, it is given angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. So, 70 plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. That is, angle COE equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. That's equal to 110 degree. Now, angle COE equal to 110 degree and the reflex angle COE is equal to 360 minus angle COE, that's equal to 250 degree. Exercise 6.1, question number 2. In the figure, lines XY and MN intersect at point O. If POY equal to 90 degree and A is to B, angle A is to angle B equal to 2:3. Find C. Exercise 6.1, question number 2, solution. It is given angle POY equal to 90 degree and A is to B equal to 2:3. Let us consider angle A equal to 2x and B equal to 3x. A plus B plus angle POY equal to 180 degree. A plus B plus POY equal to 180 degree because all these three angles are on the same line XY. So, their sum equal to 180 degree. Now, 2x plus 3x plus 90 equal to 180 because A is equal to 2x, B equal to 3x plus 90 equal to 180 degree. 2x plus 3x 5x equal to 180 minus 90, that's equal to 90 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 90 by 5, that's equal to 18 degree. So A equal to 2x equal to 36 degree, B equal to 3x equal to 54 degree. Now second part of second question. We have A equal to 36 degree, B equal to 54 degree. Now A plus C equal to 180 degree because linear pair of angles. In the figure, angle A and angle C are two angles on the same straight line and they form a linear pair of angles. Therefore, sum of linear pair of angles is 180 degree. So, A plus C equal to 180 degree. That is 36 plus C equal to 180 degree and C equal to 144 degree.